Hey, it's Carmel. Today we're going to learn how to add an image to your website. Now, an image can either be in the forefront or it can be at the back end of your site. In other words, it can be in the background and you can change each strip in your website to have a different image behind it. So we're going to learn how to upload just one image today to change the background. Okay, so let's begin. Here we have selected our website and we're going to select the same website as we had earlier, where we had the 5-day challenge, and you will remember we added our logo and we added our brand colors. But what I want to show you now is how to change this image at the background. Now you see this image is actually one big image and it's been divided over here by these lines. So I want to make my own image come in the back. Now in the same way that you added your logo, you're going to add an image. So you click change image. And I've got to upload my media, and this time I'm going to upload it from my computer just so you can see another way. Okay, the image has appeared here. I see that there's a little blue line around it, which means this is the image that is going to be selected, and I click choose image. And here you can see my image has changed. Now, if I click undo, it will go back to the previous image and you can see it's more of almost a black and white image. So that's quite nice against the contrast of my dark color. If I redo and I go back to what I've just done, I do actually quite like the boldness of that color. And this is nice if I'm doing something like online courses or even offline courses. And so I'm going to leave that image there. That is how you add an image to the back page. Preview it. And we can see it's just a static image. Each of these over here are actually buttons, and I'm going to show you next how to add buttons to your website and how to get that button over there to link with another page on your website. Okay, and the last thing I want to show you is how to make an image in the background. So let's go on our left to our tabs and we'll go to the page of branding and strategy. Now, I'm not talking about these images here. I'm talking about an image in this whole background over here. So if I click on the actual page and I change the page background, I can either change the color, and you see what I mean here about the background color, or I can change the background to an image. So if I just use that same image to demonstrate what I'm talking about here, and I select page background, I now have, let's preview it, that as my page background. And you see the more information you have here, it looks like it's just floating, which is nice on some websites. Okay, so that is how you change the background of a page. I'm not thinking that's the best place to do that right there. So let's just go back, change page background, and we'll just, not to an image, sorry, and we'll change it to a color, and we'll just keep it with the color that it was.